Hey everybody, it's Ethan. We're on stop 7 of our shop tour. This is CNC. We're gonna be asking Matthew what's going on today. Matthew?
Good afternoon.
What's up, buddy? What are we doing today?
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I am doing setup for the fly cut machining process on the 6.7 Power Stroke pistons.
Okay. Very cool. What do they look like when they're done?
Oh, I got one right here behind you, actually. It's just taking a relief for each of the valves because they're going to open up further when we put that high-performance cam in there. Make sure we don't have any pistons kissing valves in the motor. It wouldn't be good.
Okay, what else?
Over here is just the first stops on our 6.4 billet valve covers.
You did that on purpose.
In the middle of the machine. Well, I forgot that I was going to do that, but no. And then that's just the first operation of what ultimately is going to come out looking like that, which this will get polished afterward as well.
It's a big difference.
Yeah, pretty cool part. One of the favorite parts here.
Cool.
But yeah.
Awesome. So this is like a typical day?
Yeah.
Well, that's a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, sometimes I got the lathe and the Makino up and going too. But
yeah. Cool. Yeah. Well, thanks for showing us around.
Yeah, no problem.